Hi, Light Family. Today is all about the heart. It's all about the love. I hope you're feeling it. I hope you're able to tap into the higher frequencies. This heart-centered feeling is because we've got so much angelic support, guides, angels are bringing it through masses. There are literally billions of them. I am seeing them everywhere. And I think I said a couple of days ago that they are really with you. So please do tap into them, call them, command them, ask them to be with you, because they already are anyway. So it's not that they're not, they are with you, whether you know it or not. But they're helping us at this time to expand our heart. Our frequency of our heart center is growing, is changing and expanding, and the energies that are coming in for us are very much about getting ourselves into a higher frequency, lifting ourselves out of this fear and this kind of apathy and even anger and all these other things that are going on right now. When we focus on our heart and smile, we can't be angry, we can't be upset. So it really is a lovely time. The other thing that comes to mind is wearing whatever represents the heart to you. So each of us will have a different idea of what that colour might be. What I'm really feeling is sort of like a green. So I've put a green shirt on today because I was really feeling it when I get up in the morning. I think, not just what am I going to wear, but what colour shall I wear? What will lift my frequency? What will enable me to get into that heart center energy that I'm really feeling strongly for all of us today. All our guides, as I said, are bringing this through. They're lifting us out of all this lower negative energy so we can assist ourselves by brightening our life up. So please think about what you're putting on and why. The other thing I just wanted to share with you was something really beautiful. Yesterday evening it was getting dusk. It was quite dusky here, and it had been a bit of a cloudy day, so it made it a bit darker anyway. But the thing that happened was just so beautiful. I had to share this. So if you can imagine, I might try and find a picture actually and see if I can put it up. But I'm sat on my sofa and I'm just relaxing, and the next thing, something flew in through the door. So there's got a patio door, so one of the doors was open and it flew in. My partner said to me, "What is that?" And I was like, "It's a little bird." And it was this tiny, really tiny, like a bit like if in the UK one of the little like blue tits or something, or a kingfisher, really small little bird. And it flew onto the windowsill at the opposite side of the room. And so there it was, and it was like flapping, like, "Why can't I get through this glass?" And I was like, "Oh, that's really interesting." So I went over and I just spoke to it from my heart, and it let me go over and pick it up. And I was like, "Oh, you're so sweet." And as I was walking it to walk back towards the patio door to let it go, in flew another one. So it was really cute, and that went up on the balcony. Anyway, I let that one go and off it went. So I went over and I said to the other one, "Oh, you wanted to come in as well." So I then sort of like touched it so that it would fly hopefully out the door, but it didn't. It went to the other, above the patio door where it had come in. So I then sort of like got up, because there was a table there, and just gently put it in my hands. It let me, and I was just looking at it, and it was the most beautiful greens and sort of these soft yellows, like the gold around it. And it was just so cute. And I took it to the door and I opened my hand like that, and it just literally sat there. And I was like, "Oh, bless you, that's so beautiful." And then it flew off. So I think there were two things that were lots of things that you can make of that. But if you believe in sort of like synchronicities and signs, I think it was about love, because there was the love that I felt from these tiny, tiny little creatures was just amazing. And the trust, and then that flying off into freedom. So I kind of see that as symbolic of where we're all going and where we're all heading. And spirit, of course, have confirmed that as well, by giving this message of like, keep your heart center open, see where you can be more loving, see where you can share more, even if that's just sending out love to anyone, and that includes everybody on this planet. And maybe if you can't do that, just, not ready for that, just your family and your friends and your neighbours. So it's Friday here. I will see you all again next week. Have an amazing weekend and open your hearts. So much love.